Hey, this is Matt from InvestiQuant. Today is Monday, February 6, 2023. Friday, the markets popped right off the open. We ran higher in the early morning session, consolidated, and then rolled over into the close. We closed just above the open, but that was down near the lows of the session. And in the overnight session, we are seeing a continuation of that drop into the close, and we are trading below yesterday or Friday's low. So we're going to look at that pattern this morning, see what's followed that. Let me get this set up using all four instruments. Our setup's based upon entering long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time and exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, currently, we are trading lower and below the prior day low. So I'm going to come here and hit equals next to open below the prior day low. The next thing I'm going to do is go to the price patterns library. I'm going to say that Friday closed in the bottom quartile of its range. So to do that, I'm just going to grab that from the active today section, which is telling you what is true from this library. And if I go to the location of the last close, I can find that close and bottom 25%. All right, next thing I want to do is put us in a similar market environment. We closed above a 10 and above a 200-day simple moving average. And then lastly, I'm going to say specifically, this is taking place on a Monday. So I'm hitting equals here next to Monday to add that to the test. Now I can click View Results. And here we go. These are the results based upon entering the market long at 9:30 a.m. Eastern Time, exiting at 4:15 p.m. Eastern Time, when you are opening below the prior day low on a Monday, and the prior session closed near its lows and above a 10 and 200-day simple moving average. Historically, just 16 samples here, so not a large sample size here. In the S&P, we've got 16 in the NASDAQ, 20 in the Dow, 14 in the Russell. Win rates on these are all skewed towards the high side. S&P coming in at 63% of these closing above the opening print for the day. For the NASDAQ, it's 81%. For the Dow, 65%. For the Russell, 64%. If we look at the average moves, the average loss larger than the average win. That's also the case here in the NASDAQ. For the Dow, it is the average win that is larger, and then the Russell has a larger average loss. So 3 of the 4 have larger average losses compared to their average wins. All 4 of them have win rates that have favored closing above the open, historically speaking, on the smallish sample size that we have here. Hopefully you found that helpful. Good luck today. We will see you next time.